How's it going, YouTube? It's your boy Chris coming at you from the future. Just want to say thank you everybody for subscribing. We're almost at 300 subscribers. Right now I'm coming at you from my shed. As you can see, there's the 40. I just want to fill you in what this vlog is about. It's me working on my rear balances and my front coil because it's set pretty high, so I just try to adjust it. We had our baby Violet. We had our baby. Everything went phenomenal. Everything is good. I just so happy my baby is healthy. We're already home. Despite all the stuff going on in the world, I'm a happy man right now. Thank you guys for subscribing as well. We're almost at 300. I just want to say thank you. Look at that face. Only a mother can love. How's it going, guys? I just want to say we already hit 300 subscribers. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Everybody subscribing. Thank you guys for commenting. Appreciate all you guys. Hit that like button. Alright, so right now I'm going to adjust the other side because right now I got 2 fingers right here. And then you come up to this side. This is 3 fingers. So I'm gonna jack it up real quick and drop this side a little bit. See how we can get real quick. All right, just found the tow hook. Think you might need this. Alright, just took off the wheel. I got some nasty rotors I need to be switching out. These are Z32 calipers. It has Z32 5-lug conversion all around towards the back. So I think we're just gonna drop her like just a little bit so we can get 2 fingers instead of 3. Spindles. I think I might need these. Wait, I don't think I gotta loosen that one. We're just gonna go, I think, let's do 2 rings. Never mind, let's do 3 rings. Yeah, you grab the big one, loosen this thing up. Oh. Oh, she's sticky, mate. Hadouken! Get that thing tightened. Throw the wheel back on. You got the 5-year-old getting yelled at in the background. Alright, let's see how low we got her. I think we should put this. Bruh. She probably dropped. Nope. Gotta go again. Gotta hit it again. Damn, that thing is bashed up right there. Somebody messed that thing up. I might as well just max them out at this point, to be honest, but hopefully I don't get rained on. Forecast said it wasn't gonna rain, but you know those things. Moment of truth. I feel like it's not gonna be shit. Dukin? Oh! I'm gonna leave it like this for now. Drive it around. Hey, it's better, it's lowered. Drive it around and see how it settles, and then just get back to it. Alright, I lowered it a little bit. It's better than how it was. It's not as dumped, but I'm happy with it actually. So I'm just gonna leave it there for now. Right around, let it settle a little bit. I think it's just also the fender. The other fender is really pulled. You can see that one. This fender is really pulled. So like, I would have to like really dump it to get that to fit nice. Until I get new fenders. This is cool for now. Alrighty, so I had installed my rear valances, but it was my first time. I'd never done this, so as you can tell, I only put double-sided tape right here. Like I said, it was my first time. I don't know why I didn't put it all the way. So I'm gonna take it off again and put it all across. I put self-tappers on this one, and on the other side I actually put zip ties, and I felt like it hugged it more, so that's what I'm gonna do on this side. Let me show you on this side. See, this is like it's a little bit better. Again, I don't know why I didn't put it all the way across, so I'm gonna jack up the car, take off the wheels, try to fill it all up. There's gonna be a gap right here, but I don't really care about that. And then this was kind of crooked, the bottom one, a little gap, but I've never done it before, so it's not perfect, but we'll see how I can get it. Like, this is not even attached from the bottom because it's just all test fitting. But I will right now check it out right now, see how it goes. So I'm gonna jack this thing up. Differential, where are you? Differential. Straight to the moon. Let's go. Oh, sick. When you're trying to put it in but without the key, she ain't gonna let you, boy. See how like zip ties hold it on better? I put an extra one in there. Yeah, I need to put it all across. I don't know why I didn't do that. Look, whatever. It's my first time doing it, so it's kind of common sense, but I gotta get a cutter for this. Should do the job. Snip, snap, snip, snap, snip, snap. Oh, I almost untorque it with it. I gotta take all this off. Alright, so I'm gonna lay down the double-sided tape. I'm gonna put some on this side. Alright, let's hope this works. There we go. That's if that should do it. Hell yeah. Nice and flush. Hopefully this is enough tape to hold on this side. This thing's legit cut right here, I just realized. I don't know what the hell the past owner did, man. Looks way better. And they came out good though. Better than how I had it the first time. I just don't want to drill holes in here because I don't like how self-toppers look on the outside. Even that the previous owner did to this one, I would not have done that. And he did it on this side too. Should be fine for now. So I'm just gonna put the tires, put the rims back on. Oh fuck, just kidding. Snip snap. Alright, so I just finished putting on the rear balances back on. They actually look way better than how they were. Like I said, it has a little gap right here, but I don't care for that. And then this one should be fine for now. Not really tripping. And then this one came out not perfect, but it's cool. I'm happy how it came out. It's not the straightest, but whatever. I'm happy as long as that matters. Yeah, I need some new rotors bad. Gonna put the wheels back on. Should be done for today. Woo! Hell yeah. Gotta get Big Bertha. Dude, this is like the best $300 I ever spent. This thing makes your life so much easier. Yee. Now let the bass drop. Hell yeah. So this is me looking at the car. I guess you could say done for now. I'm pretty happy how it came out. I'm so excited. I just need the wing next. Well, I need a lot of things, but let's go. Clean. Well, better than how it was. It's not the best, but it's better than how it was. I'm so happy how this one came out too. A little gap here. It's fine. I just need that wing. I'm so happy, you guys. You don't even know. So hyped. Just want to say thank you guys for watching. There's more content to come on this build. If you guys have any suggestions or what you want to see me doing, please leave a comment down below. Hit that like button. It means a lot. I just can't stop looking at this thing, man. God damn, dude. It's not perfect, but it's mine. It's mine. Hell yeah, so hyped. Thank you guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one.